Hello and welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage we're going to take a look at the Viento casting from the X-raycers series from Hot Wheels. This is number 1 of 10 of the X-raycers series, Track Stars. And this is a really special one. It's a fantasy casting, not a licensed casting, but it's special because it is a treasure hunt. And if I flip it over, you can see under here kind of the treasure hunt logo. So we're going to take a look at this one. I'm going to open it up because it's no fair to keep it in its little plastic prison. So let's go ahead and open it up. So here we have the Viento out of its packaging, and I ripped the packaging when I was opening it up, but as you can see, it's got the Treasure Hunt low production logo inside there, inside the blister, and we don't need that anymore, but we'll take a look at the car. So this is part of the X-raycers series, and the X-raycers are transparent, clear plastic pieces everywhere. So they're a fantasy casting, so they're just dreamed up. Looks really cool. Got some really neat futuristic stripes on it, and yellow clear wheels, which are crazy. If you look inside, we flipped it up there. It's got a single center driver's seat, which is strange. A couple little jump seats in the back, which are also strange. And a great big motor at the back. And take a look at the back here. And see, it's got a really cool clear fin and some nice aerodynamics going on. Here's the other side. Nice large rear wheels. And then the front. Again, really cool swooping lines. Very nice car. Nice blue. And so this is cool. This is a treasure hunt, so you don't find these as much. It's not as rare as a super treasure hunt, but it's still really cool. And happy to have this one in our collection. So it looks like it'll go really fast down the track. It's part of the Track Stars kind of line of cars. So let's hope that that goes really quick. One of the coolest things about the Viento, which I didn't even realize until a second ago, was that the canopy is removable. So there you see, full-length canopy in a fully convertible car. So as far as treasure hunts go, that's pretty awesome. I like this one. It's really cool. And the removable canopy makes it even cooler. If you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up or a comment, and be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.